exactly going to do?
So my problem was I have this, as you can see, is how the fire, and that's the wood effect, which is that one there. And this is the wall covering and the colours. So these are the finishes that are going to be used. Taking into account that Tara's going to keep her original furniture of the wall with the television. This is an aerial picture, and these are 3Ds. So these would be the colours that we're working with within the room, and then these are going to be the new colours that we're adding, and the floor, the cupboards, the wallpaper is obviously what's going to go on the wall, and this is the piece of it here, which we'll show you on the wall in a minute.